Okay, so we're talking about whiteboards. So I just thought let me do a tutorial on how we can make our own whiteboards from the idea that we got. So here I have cardboard. There's a cardboard box, and then I have bond paper, clean sheet of bond paper. So this is paper glue that I'm going to use here. I have paper glue, but you can also use tape, bond paper here. So this is what we do. We wrap our bond paper around our cardboard, and then we apply glue at the back of the cardboard, like so, at the edges, like this. Just apply paper glue there, and then we fold our bond paper to the back like that. Okay, stick it to the back like that, and then we also apply our glue here as well. This is liquid paper glue. You can also use glue sticks, and then we fold it to the back like this. Right, there you go. So now we have something like that. So if we write using our whiteboard onto here, on our whiteboard marker, that will come out. So we, instead of laminating like we were talking about, now we use cling wrap, which is actually cheaper and sells a lot of people. So we stretch our cling wrap like that, and then we place our white our hard there, like so. Don't forget to stretch it like that. And we wrap again like that. Okay. So now we've put paper. Okay, that's not perfect, but I think it's good. Now we've put paper and on top of the board, so that you can actually write on it without putting it on somewhere. And then the white, so that we can see what you write. And then the clean wrap is so that we can actually rub off. So now we can write our answers, as you can see. And then you can actually rub that off. This whiteboard marker, and you can write the name or the next answer like that. Then you can rub. So I think you can all use this. It's actually easier to make, faster to make, more economic, and serves the purpose. So I just thought, because of our discussion, we can actually make this.